How do you type the children prop in a React component? Many developers skip this or use any, but TypeScript has you covered with powerful built-in types. The gold standard is React.ReactNode. This type accepts everything React can render: elements, strings, numbers, fragments, portals, and even null or undefined. It's the most flexible option and covers 99% of use cases. Just import it from React and use it in your props interface. For cleaner code, React provides the PropsWithChildren utility type. Instead of manually adding children::ReactNode to every interface, wrap your props type with PropsWithChildren. It automatically adds the children property for you. This is especially useful when you have multiple components that accept children. By default, children is optional and can be undefined. If your component requires children to function, add a question mark to make it explicit or use conditional logic to handle the undefined case. Always consider whether your component works without children or needs them to render properly. Sometimes you need stricter types. If your component only accepts a single React element, use React_Element. For specifically JSX elements, use JSX.Element. If you only accept strings, just use the string type. And for arrays of elements, use React_Element_Array. These restrictive types give you compile time guarantees about what children your component receives. Remember, ReactNode is your default choice for flexibility. Use PropsWithChildren for convenience. Mark children as optional when appropriate, and reach for restrictive types only when you need specific guarantees. Now you can type children props like a pro. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.